In this video, I'll show you how to make a tier list. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this.
So first off, we start up on the main page of Google Chrome. Then we write the following in our browser, tier list, and we go to this page right here, tiermaker.com. When we get here, first up, we need to go to the top right and press login. So here we can choose if we either want to log in or join with Twitter or with Google. So we go back and I'll choose my option and I'll be back when I'm logged in. And now we're back. As you can see, I just chose my way of logging in. And now we go and select the make a template option. Here we can create a template or we can search for one that already exists. For example, if I search for video games, a lot of already pre-made templates will pop up, but if I want to create my own, I don't choose any of them, and I just press make your own template. For that pop-up to disappear, you just press on the white background. Then you select make your own template. You can name the template anything you want. I'll name it best games. You will select the category. Let's find video games. Here they are. Here you can add a description of template. You can write anything you want. You can add a template cover photo. I'll be back once I have found my select template cover photo and once I have uploaded a set of images for the tier list. These images will be used in the tier list itself. Be right back. Okay, so now we're back. For example, for my template cover photo, I'll choose a controller picture that I have in my computer. Here it is. I select it and I press open. My template photo has loaded, and for the set of images for the tier list template, I will choose the following photos. So I have this one, and this one. I choose a few. So you can add a URL for image credits, image orientation. You can do them landscape, square, portrait, circle, basically anything you please. I'll go for landscape. Then you can name the rows. For example, S is the highest tier, A is second tier, B third, C is the fourth, and D is the last. You can also add extra rows, and you can opt to change these labels by writing something in each of the boxes, but I'll keep it as it is, and I'll press submit. Let's make our tier list. As you can see, we just made our tier list. I added all of these photos. For example, if I want to rate something, I just pull the picture and add it to the tier that I want it to be inside. Then I pull the other one, the other one, the other one, and that is it. You can either save or download your tier list. That is it.